Soyez les bienvenus, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinas with Lourdes. Another formation civique and another questionnaire. Okay, why? Pour connaître le fonctionnement de la société française. Know how the French society functions, so functions in English, okay? Okay. So this time is for la santé. Santé is for our health. Santé. Okay. A is pronounced comme un E. Santé. Question. Question is not question. Question is English. En français, c'est question. Pourquoi peut-il choisir un médecin traitant? Pourquoi peut-il choisir un médecin traitant? OK, un médecin traitant. Qu'est-ce que c'est un médecin traitant? OK. Why should a referring doctor be chosen? OK. A. Pour coordonner son parcours de soins. OK. To coordinate your healthcare. B. Pour éviter toute consultation médicale. To avoid any medical consultations. C. Pour remplacer la carte vitale, to replace your health insurance card. And D. Pour annuler les remboursements, to cancel your reimbursements. So what is your answer? Is it A, B, C, ou D? OK, la bonne réponse est toujours un A. A, pour coordonner son parcours de soins. To coordinate the healthcare pathway. So that is the role of the médecin traitant. Okay, so what is a médecin traitant? Le médecin traitant suit le patient, l'oriente vers des spécialistes si nécessaire et facilite une meilleure prise en charge. In English, the referring doctor follows the patient, refers them to specialists when necessary, and helps ensure better care. Okay? Each person po should have a médecin traitant. A médecin traitant is called the generalist, that you are going to take someone and you need to sign, and the doctor also, that you declare as a médecin traitant. Once you have a problem, you should go to your médecin traitant, okay, to your doctor, your personal doctor or your healthcare doctor, okay? Okay, because this doctor will follow you, okay? Then you go there, if you have problem with the heart, she will the one, or he will, the doctor will give you an ordonnance or referral or a letter to a certain specialist. Example, cardiolog, urolog, pediat, kamsa. Okay, all. She will give you all the directives. And if it is in a, it depends if it is convention A, conventional A1, that is free of charge with your carte vitale. But with convention 2, that is conventional 2, there is a limit, the dépassement limit, the dépassement horaire. If there is a dépassement horaire, you will pay more because of that specialist. Okay? It depends on the charge of the specialist. So 50 and above, it depends of your mutual. In here, we have mutual for those people who have card, either mutual, carte vitale, plus your mutual, or carte vitale plus CMU. For those who don't have papers, it's called AMU, Ed Medical Data. Okay? But with those with papers, they don't earn much. It's called CMU. Okay? It's less, so that they will not take a like us, what do you call that? Health insurance, okay? Mutual. We call that mutual health insurance assistance. So that your médecin traitant will will follow you and will refer you to the different specialists. And if it's conventional A, you don't pay, and the doctor will refer you also with conventional A, because conventional 2 and 3 are payant. C'est you need to pay more, okay, because they are specialists and private. Those are called private doctors. I hope it's clear, and I hope you have médecin traitant, because if you don't have médecin traitant, vous allez payer plus cher. Okay? Please don't forget, médecin traitant, and also to like, subscribe, but more comment for more videos pour formation civique. Merci. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.